start my sessions with the red thread, and the red thread represents the bloodline, the lineage line, connection between those who resonate with the same ideas, who go through the same experiences, who are looking for the same experiences. And on the red thread of my connections are the people who are interested in how we function, not just as human beings, as a physical beings that need to eat and procreate and wear some clothes and buy the houses, but also how we create using our consciousness and awareness. So for me, it's a very important topic. And those who are attracted to that topic, tag on my red thread, because I'm tagging on yours. And I'm saying, hi, we all have our own red thread piece, and I'm extending that red thread today to you. Touch and tag on mine. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. We are gonna call our consciousness to awareness with my very own painted drawing. I'm asking my guides, and I'm asking all of the women of intentional creativity who I've studied with, who supported me through the process, to be energetically present and sharing, because sometimes it's hard to believe, but in the mental field, in the Maya, we are connected, we are together, and our thoughts illuminate each other's life. What I'm planning on doing today is to show how I believe the spirit comes into matter. I'm gonna take some colors. I'm taking Payne's gray and a little bit of quinacridone crimson, and of course, for the soul, for the feeling sunshine, I'm gonna take some yellow. And I'm gonna take this spray bottle, blue bottle, because I believe the blue is the color of manifestation. And I'm gonna charge it in my hands. So all that I was just telling you about, and the intention of my heart to awaken consciousness within me and my students and whoever is gonna watch that, I ask for that being manifested. And since I have no conflicting intentions about it, I believe it's gonna manifest very fast. So I invite you on a fast track into consciousness. And then I connect to my canvas, because just like the beginning of life, when the physical body is not even formed, the spirit is traveling and looking for the story to begin. So what do you think your spirit is about? Why do you think it has chosen the life it has chosen? The family, the parents, the neighborhood, the community, the friends, the work that you do. There was a reason for it. So that reason manifests in colors in your life. So we are gonna see how it's gonna look today for me. So I'm gonna put some yellow on my canvas, just to remind that we are all children of the sun. And without sun in our life, there is no life. When we don't have sunshine, the winter comes. I live in Chicago, so the winter is coming. You can feel it already, even though it's very hot. You already start feeling that. And then I'd like to put a little bit of the red to remind of that bloodline that we have, that connection. That connection that creates a circle of trust a circle of being, that connection that we can always tag upon. And then I'm gonna let it mix a little bit. Just like in our life, sometimes there is rain that washes out that which we participated in, and sometimes there are some tears, and sometimes there's sweat. So as we move through life, things are changing, things are being developed in many different ways, and so we are just allowing our consciousness to be connected to all that has been happening before today. All those moments in time when our spirit was looking at the earth and deciding which way to go. Where is my place? Where am I gonna come? Where am I gonna incarnate? What would be a neighborhood that has a lot of sunshine? Where would be the neighborhood there is no sunshine? Maybe I'll bring some sunshine. And the bigger the spirit, the darker the neighborhood. Because in the end, we all come here from one undifferentiated, unstoppable, never-ending field of all possibilities. So as a spirit, we know anything possible. We can do it. Nothing can stop us. We are one and the same.